Welcome to another video by the ICT Technology Department. Today I'm going to show you how you can import a Google class calendar into one of your Edlio class. The process is straightforward and I'm going to show you starting with creating a class into Edlio. Some of the screen that I'm going to show you did not appear into your Edlio just because you are not an admin of the system. When you are under My Classes, you have two options. One, you can add a manual class into Edlio, or you can import a class from Google Classroom. When you click Add a Class, if you want to choose to connect to Google Classroom, you're going to click Connect. You will be prompted to authenticate into your Google Classroom or into your Google account. And then you're going to present a list with the classes that you are teaching. If you have not created a class in Google Classroom, you have to do that first. Once again, all of these lists will not appear to you. I have this list because I am an admin of Google Classroom. I'm going to select my Computer Fundamental 5B class, and I'm going to click Next. I'm going to select what grade level my class belongs to. In this case is 5th grade. I'm going to click Connect and Add Class. As you can see now, the class is added to my list. Step number 1 is completed. We now are going to copy the code for the Google Calendar into my class. When you create a Google Classroom, it will automatically create a Google Class Calendar. The Google Class Calendar can be found in your calendar underneath the My Calendar view. In our particular case, I'm going to work with the Computer Fundamental 5B calendar. I'm going to click on the 3 little dots that are beside the calendar, and I'm going to click Settings and Sharing. When I click Settings and Sharings, I'm going to scroll until I can see Integrate Calendar, and I will then click on the Customize button. Once you click Customize, you're going to be presented with the calendar option to allow you to embed the code into your Edlio page. First of all, the width and the height. We need to change the width to 600 and the height to 400. This way, the calendar will appear nicely into your Edlio page. I can also choose a background color if I choose to do so. The default view is month. We can change it to either week or agenda. The week, we can change it to start on a Monday. The time zone is going to be left untouched. I want to unselect any calendar that is not part of the one I'm working on. I'm only working right now with Computer Fundamental 5B, so any other calendar needs to be unchecked. Now that I have Computer Fundamental 5B and the other settings the way I want, I can copy the code for my Edlio class. Simply click on the Copy Code beside Embed Code. The code will be copied to your clipboard. We're now ready to paste it into the Edlio website. When I'm in Edlio, I will click the Edit Class. In the portion that says Description, I'm going to select the 3 little dots that are on the right. And I'm going to select the source code option. In this box, I'm going to paste the code that I recently copied. You can right-click with your mouse and click Paste, or you can use Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste the code. I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to click Save again. Next time a visitor comes to the website and clicks on my class page, in my particular case, Computer Fundamental 5B, they're going to be presented with a calendar for Computer Fundamental 5B. any assignment that I create in Google Classroom with a due date will automatically appear into this calendar.